There's no such thing as lucky. Luck is when other people describe somebody's hard work. Luck is actually when hard work bumps up into opportunity. There's no such thing as luck. There's a thing called grace and favor, but it ain't no such thing as luck. Luck is in Vegas. Luck ain't in life. The rest of life is grace and favor. God passes out grace, his unmerited grace. You can't earn it, you can't buy it. You know, that's why you hear old people say that old song, all I want is a little more grace, because you can't buy it. If I could get anything in this life, I would ask for more grace, because you can't buy it. If you could buy it, I'd take every dollar I had and put it into grace and favor. That's what I get. But success is a series of principles. Anybody can be successful if you apply the principles of success. And one of the biggest principles that most people miss out on is gratitude. The reason some people aren't getting what they want in life is because they ain't even grateful for what they have. I mean, God is a really smart God, you know what I mean? If he gives you something and you're not grateful for it, why would he give you some more stuff to not be grateful for? I mean, he just keeps waking you up. He done gave you somewhere to stay. You got something to drive. You got food to eat. You got clothes to wear. You got some love in your life. You got a family. But you'll never say thank you for that. If you really want to start changing the way you receive stuff, you got to start being grateful for where you are. That's one of the major principles of success. See, successful people, man, are not smarter than you. I'm not nicer than anybody in this room. I'm not smarter. I ain't got no education. I just messed around and learned the principles of success. I just learned how to wake up every morning with gratitude. There's no such thing as lucky.